Ready to dive into the crypto world but want a simple way to fund your Coinbase account? Let's walk through connecting your debit card to Coinbase. Step by simple step. First, head over to Coinbase.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. Usually in the top right corner, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Find and click on Settings, then navigate to the Payment Methods tab. This is where you'll manage how you fund your crypto adventures. Click on the Add a Payment Method button. You'll see several options, including bank account, PayPal, and debit card. Choose debit card. Now, carefully enter your debit card information, your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Coinbase uses encryption to keep this info safe. Coinbase may ask you to verify your card. This usually involves a small temporary charge on your card that you'll need to confirm. Check your bank statement online or through your banking app. Coinbase will prompt you to enter the exact amount of those small charges to verify your card. Once verified, your debit card will be listed as a payment method. You're now ready to buy crypto with your debit card. When you go to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, simply select your debit card as the payment method. Be aware that debit card transactions often come with fees, and there might be daily or weekly limits. If you run into any trouble, Coinbase has a great help center with troubleshooting tips. Just search for debit card issues. Also remember that security is key, and it is important to enable 2FA and practice safe habits. Now, you're all set to start your crypto journey.